Hello friends, we are going to write a Python program to generate divisors of a number. We'll see the demo. Variable n equal to integer of input of enter n integer. The input statement displays the string enter an integer in the user's console. When user enter an integer, that is received as a string by the input statement, and the int function convert it as an integer and storing it in the variable n. Now I am writing a for loop for I in range 2 comma n colon. Here for is a keyword, I is the loop variable, in is an operator, range function generate a list of integer from 2 to n minus 1. Each iteration the loop variable I will take the value one by one from 2 to n minus 1. The in operator supports for this purpose. Now I am going to write the loop body. I have to give a tab space to mention the statement inside the scope of the loop. If n modulo I double equal to 0, print I. So here I am performing a modulo division of n by I. If it returns 0, the modulo operator divide n by I and return the remainder. If the remainder is 0, it means I am printing the value I, that is a divisor of the n. So this is the body of the loop. Here I am writing a else statement for the loop. For else loop I am using. The else statement is a else of the for loop. If all the sequence in the for loops are get executed, then the sequence is over. The control will come to the else part. Here I am printing print end. That's it. I am asking the user to enter an integer and storing it in the variable n. I am writing a loop, for loop. It will go from the 2 to n minus 1. I am performing a modulo division with n. Any value between 2 to n minus 1, it will perform a modulo division, returns a remainder 0. That is a divisor. That's why I am printing the value in the I, that integer. If the loop is completely executed, the control will come to the else part and it will print end. We will execute the program and check the result. Here I am giving 20, 2, 4, 5 and 10 are the divisors for 20. I will run the program again. Now I am giving 27. 3 and 9 are the divisors of 27. That's it. The program is working perfectly. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.